This question references 4 companies that are similar in most ways, including quality of management, potential prospects, and capital structure. It then asks, which company would you say is overpriced? To really clarify this concept, assume that the companies are virtually identical. Nugget number 1. You shouldn't look at stock prices alone when comparing companies. In another video, we talked about how a company could alter its market price simply by doing a stock split or consolidation. If you know that a company can artificially alter its market price in this manner, it becomes clearer why you shouldn't simply look at stock price. For greater clarity, if a company did a 2-for-1 stock consolidation and as a result its share price doubled, it doesn't mean it's a better company. It simply combined shares and that is what caused its price to go up. Nugget number 2. You should look at each company's price-earnings ratio, also known as price-earnings multiple. In other words, you should compare the stock price in relation to its earnings per share. Let's do that for each company. But before doing so, let's get rid of the annual dividend as it's only there to distract you. For company A, we take the share price of $50 and divide it by an earnings per share of $5 and determine a price-earnings multiple of 10. For company B, we take the share price of $25 and divide it by an earnings per share of $1.50 and determine a price-earnings multiple of 16.67. For company C, we take a share price of $130 and divide it by an earnings per share of $100 and determine a price-earnings multiple of 1.30. For company D, we take a share price of $10 and divide it by earnings per share of 5 cents and determine a price-earnings multiple of 200. Even though company D has the lowest share price, notice that the price per share in relation to its earnings per share multiple is a whopping 200. If these 4 companies are extremely similar, it makes no sense paying a higher price-earnings multiple, and therefore company D would be considered the most overpriced. We select that answer, and we are correct. Before I let you go, here are 3 trainers' tips that could help you with other potential questions. Number 1, consider company C, which has an extremely low price-earnings multiple of 1.30. This basically means if you bought the shares for $130 and the earnings per share remained the same, it would take the company just over a year to earn that amount on a per share basis. Number 2, given the companies are so similar, if you were asked which company would you prefer to buy, you would select the one with the lowest price earnings multiple. And number 3, if you were asked which company would you prefer to short, you would select the stock with the highest price earnings multiple. Keep in mind, when shorting a stock, you are betting on the share price going down, and it is logical that the most overpriced stock is more likely to decline in value.